Al Lunacy from Al Lunacy Queuing. Hey guys, how's it going? We're back with another reviewing video. Today what we're doing is we're doing Porter Road's fajitas versus local supermarket fajitas, and we'll be comparing them. The results might surprise you guys, so stick around for that. We do also have announcements in the future about the t-shirts. We're still trying to work out the twerks. If you saw the last video, you saw some of the ideas that we had on the sleeve here and on the heart logo, but it might be a full design as well, so stay tuned for that. But let's just get to our cook and Fajita Shootout coming right at you. Let's get to it. Guys, we're doing a shootout, Porter Road's fajita meat versus just your local grocery store fajita meat. I'll put the way the package looked before we cleaned it up and put it in a Ziploc, but they pretty much are about a pound. This might be a little bit more than a pound. And then of course we're gonna do our veggies here. The spice we'll be using is the Longhorn Grill Seasoning. Buy it at your local Dollar Tree. And we have fired up the Blackstone. We got our green onion, or this is actually old sweet onion. Then we got our red onion here and our sweet pepper. Next time you think about doing bell peppers, do sweet peppers, and you'll see that it does give it a different taste. So there it is. Now I do have that seasoning. I'm thinking that I will put a few, on top of the veggies as well. And be very careful with this type of seasoning. Very bold, I should say. It's very bold seasoning, so right away. Not too bad. What we're gonna do, let's go ahead and turn off this side. Move these over. And turn this up just a little bit so that we can start putting our fajitas. First of all, our store-bought HEB fajitas. That's great. I don't know. They're a little bit over a pound. So I'm going to go ahead and season them real quick, and then I'll put the Porter Road. This is the Porter Road. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. This is dry aged meat, so it might be more tender than what we're cooking today here on its side. You can see definitely it is a different color. Definitely you can see that there's a texture difference right away. You can see the glaze on this fajita seems to be a little bit more shinier than that one. I mean, I'm talking about straight off the packaging. Let's go ahead and add seasoning to the Porter Road. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. So far, I think that the HEB fajitas were thicker cut than the Porter Road, definitely, if you see the size of each piece. But Porter Road, those guys know what they're doing. And so I turned them over. I'm going to season the other side. The veggies real quick also. One fell overboard. It looks like the store-bought fajitas are actually generating more grease than the Porter Road. And I did trim the store-bought fajita. Wait a minute. Porter Road's making a comeback. You see that juice in there? So we're going to get some good color. I'm just gonna go by color. Oh, it tastes good already, man. It's not fair. Let me get a little bit of this one as well. Oh man, I'm gonna hold my comments, but I already am kind of semi-deciding already where this is going. Okay, so we're just about done. I'm gonna try to cook these apart. First a swig of my ranch water. Porter Road. We'll get 3 of this to mix. Put that aside, and we'll put it in the plate when we're done. Put the store-bought fajitas, onions, and the rest of the. Let me turn this off. Here you go. This is the store-bought. This is the Porter Road. What do you guys think? Store-bought, Porter Road. Store-bought, Porter Road. Let's take it inside. Okay, so an observation real quick. My boy is guessing that this is probably the Porter Road, and this is the store-bought HEB. So let's go ahead and take a little piece right there. Just be honest, whatever you think. Decent taste. Mm-hmm. We're using the Longhorn seasoning. So now take a little piece of this meat right here. And you tell me honestly, in your opinion, which one's better. This is the first one, and this is the second one. He believes this is the Porter Road, and this is the store-bought. You tell me which one's better. Be honest.
Say, this one takes more flavor in.
This one takes more flavor in?
And this one's like, this is like, have a little bit of taste of it.
Have a little bit of taste. Try one more time, and see what you think. There you go. And try one more. Confirm your...
This is a Porter Road.
This is the Porter Road, and this is...
The HEB.
HEB. Which one do you like best? Be honest.
You
like the Porter Road?
Yeah. But for tacos, I would use that one.
For tacos, you would use this one. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you had a choice, you would buy that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you which one's which. This is the store-bought. This is Porter Road.
Oh.
So next taste tester is my wife, and she's gonna go ahead and taste that one. Taste a little piece. Beautiful. Taste a little piece right there, and that's the first one. And the second one, when she's done with that. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and taste the second one. Get a small piece. Here, smaller piece. This one's smaller. I'll taste them. Which one do you like better? Which one? It doesn't matter. You like this one better. Okay. So this is the store-bought. This is the store-bought HEB brand. This is Porter Road. So we're divided. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a taco, and I'll give you my final impression about the both. So there it was. The tiebreaker would be up to me. The Porter Road fajitas on the right, and the HEB supermarket fajitas on the left. Time to make a decision. First, we'll try the Porter Road fajita. Definitely high-grade beef. Pretty tasty, but leaner than your regular fajitas. A better choice if you're a health-conscious eater. Next, the HEB supermarket fajita. Juicy, tender, but definitely fattier. A tastier choice if you're a foodie like me. My vote is for the local supermarket fajita. So there it is, guys. I was surprised myself. I think Porter Road has great cuts, but in this particular cook, the local store-bought fajitas seem to shine. If you're interested in ordering from Porter Road, get $15 off your next order of $75 or more using our promo code in the video description. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe, give us a like. It's much appreciated. Until the next time.